Setting up the Polycom Eagle-Eye Director 2 with Real Presence Group Series is simple and easy. First, take the camera base and attach the vertical mic array. This is important to ensure speaker tracking accuracy, even in large rooms with many participants. Then, you will need two Eagle-Eye 4 12x zoom cameras. Take one camera and screw in 4 of the short, large head screws into the bottom, ensuring they're screwed in all the way. Then insert the metal spacer in the space around the camera output port and plug the L-style camera connector into that port, tightening the screws to secure it. Now simply place the camera into the base with the camera connector at the back. It will securely fit into place with help from the magnetized screws. Repeat all these steps with the second camera. Next, there are 3 cables to connect. With the codec turned off, connect the camera cable that was included with the Real Presence Group system. Connect the audio cable that was included with the Eagle-Eye Director 2, with the other end connected to the codec. It connects directly to the Group 700, or attach the included 3.5mm adapter to connect to other models. This audio cable is important to cancel out the far end audio and avoid confusing the voice tracking. Finally, connect the power cable, as the camera cable cannot power Eagle-Eye Director 2 like it does for a standalone Eagle-Eye 4 camera. Now place the camera on the included wall bracket or another secure position above the displays. If using the wall bracket, you may want to place the camera on the bracket before connecting the cables so you can then run them through the openings on the back. Turn on the Real Presence Group system. Eagle-Eye Director 2 starts working automatically, with no other configuration required. You can adjust various settings for Eagle-Eye Director 2 through the administrator interface of the Real Presence Group Series system it's connected to.